The Revvi credit card is designed for people who need a second chance at building or rebuilding their credit and don't want to deal with a security deposit up front. It stands out because it's an unsecured card, so those who may not have a few $100s to lock away as collateral can still get approved and start using it. The application is quick, and if approved, it only takes a few steps, including paying a $95 program fee to get started. This card is widely accepted since it runs on the Visa network, which means it's easy to use in stores or online across the country. A big reason people consider the Revvi card is because it reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is essential for anyone trying to build or repair their credit history. Each payment, whether on time or not, is reflected in those credit reports. So consistent, responsible use can eventually boost a credit score. The 1% cashback rewards on payments is an interesting twist. It rewards you not for spending, but for paying your bill, which encourages good habits. However, it's important to know that these rewards are only available after 6 months of account activity, can only be redeemed in $5 increments, and are applied as statement credits. For those who prefer to manage finances from a phone, the mobile app is simple to use and can track balances, payments, and even credit progress thanks to the included free credit monitoring powered by TransUnion. Now, let's be clear about the downsides. The Revvi credit card is one of the most expensive cards on the market when it comes to fees and interest rates. Besides the $95 upfront program fee, there are annual and monthly fees after the first year, and the APR sits at a steep 35.99%. With a starting credit limit, usually between $200 and $500, the available credit isn't generous, and getting a credit limit increase after a year comes with its own cost. 25% of whatever amount the limit is raised. While the card is unsecured and accessible to people with bad credit, the high cost can eat into any progress made, especially if the balance isn't paid in full each month. The reward system, while unique, is hard to maximize because of limits on redemption, and there's no way to upgrade to a better card later without closing your account and starting over elsewhere. Some users have also experienced issues with customer service, from payment glitches to slow problem resolution, which adds to the frustration for those already struggling with credit. In summary, the Revvi credit card can help people who are struggling to get approved elsewhere take steps toward better credit, thanks to its easy approval, credit reporting, and unsecured structure. The cashback on payments is a nice nudge toward paying bills on time, but the very high fees, ongoing costs, and steep interest can quickly turn what feels like an opportunity into a financial trap if the balance isn't cleared each month. The risks are real, and it's only a good tool for credit building if it's handled with discipline and if better, cheaper options aren't available. Anyone considering the Revvi card should look hard at their budget and options before applying, and be absolutely sure not to carry a balance on this card.